wiilashaydi fiiriya horta ani wax badan aan soo faa'iiday 10 badan waxay hal bacal lagu dhisma karagtay labada kulaatii labada la mara maxaan ay qorsheysan meena laba aroostan 3 4 مساسانا يقول سوف في ربتين وانيشة كان لو كلاتي كودا نيشة واحد عينا إيه في ديسين مربي مفهمتين إيه ولا ريال ما شاء الله بالله بيصدح أو قبهنا عينا أركو لو أنتي حتى حتى ما الله بالله بيصدح ينكو قربهني قريتك تاعي بس ده وأركي محاوى وحن شني ماذا محاوى بس 10 كاسة عليا هل بعض قرص وحيقا كدقنين أنت صبحني سوى براي يقول قرص ده وتيذينا نيجي قريم فهمتين ليش كعب.
How come when Somalis want to get a divorce, they say wakufura? Furi makufura niyo. How come when we're knocking on the door, Allah, niyo albab ka gra'o ya? Say lo gra'a albab. Shakshuka aitin miya am untuwai. There's a whole place in Somalia called Afgoy. Niyo Afgoy ma iska goysin haga. How come when Somalis say leave me alone and I فرح يخان؟ No فرتر شيء لقى خاننا. How come when they say go buy a ticket to Allah, tickets will go? Hell, go for a ticket to Antonia.
Somalia, Somalia, Somali Valley. Dal badunka, sanu dul mare alan kega bluga. San eskulare si oragamban, sas eskulare fafi funky. Fanu gudare dal badunka, sanu dul mare alan kega bluga. San eskulare si oragamban.
Adun banku tonaya kouni. Adun banku tawada labani. Aday duntu igu xirantay sadexne.
Murugta makabadelena ila nari kaikari magamarmiye bama. Oh, you man, I love you.
I love you.
The stupidest nicknames I heard Muslim boys go by, based on a true story, guys. I once heard of a Guled and a Yahya that goes by Google and Yahoo. What? And then there's a Bilal that goes by Billy. I know Abdullahs that go by Abs and Abe. Like, as an Abdullah myself, that's very disrespectful. Like, where's the correlation with Abe? Come on, bro. And the Ahmeds are even worse, bro. They go by Melly, Meadow, Mills, Ed. Who goes by Ed, bro? More like Special Ed. I know a Talha that goes by Tammy. La hawla. I know a Hamza that goes by Ham and Hammy. Like, at this point, the nicknames are not a shorter version of their name. They're just picking whatever name that starts with their same letter as their name. Like, why you want to be called Khanzir? La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
There's a whole lot of ways I could get my cash up. Nigga, you ain't got no backup. You should back up. All the hoes say I'm handsome. I got my bands up.
naagahan mooryaanta ah oo dhan guur xataa diyaar uma aha markii adiga konton kaa qaado 6 nin oo kalena ay ka qaado min 100 waa meeqa waa 650 iyadoon shaqaynin fadhigeedaas af Soomaali kaliya 650 bay helaysaa.
The stupidest nicknames I heard Muslim girls go by. Y'all gonna get crazy on this one. The Laylas that go by Lays or Lele or Lulu. You know, Lays is a brand of chips. White people can say Layla. I don't know why you even go by nicknames, to be honest with you. Then there's the Khadijas that go by Kendall. You're not a Kardashian, sis. And then this is one girl named Iman that I know. Goes by Manny. And then the Janas that go by Jenny, Jam, or Nat. Who goes by Nat? That means like the little bugs that go in your food. What? And then a special one with the Fatimas and the Kothars. The Kothars that go by Coco or Kylie, you deserve the cheer. And the Fatimas that go by Fati or even Ma. I don't know what to do with y'all.